Hi everyone, thought I'd do an update on where I'm at with the Beale TQ restoration. At the moment it's about 75% complete, even though it doesn't really look bad in the pic. And we'll just go and have a quick look around and show you where I'm at. Front end is all complete, just needs bolting up, and of course a couple of tyres. Engine wise, that's all complete, wiring done, oil lines, and the injection plumbing is about 90% complete. Just got a bit at the tank to do at the rear. Upholstery is obviously at the upholsterers. The seat is getting repaired, and the steering wheel is getting a little pad stuck in the middle, and we've got a headrest getting covered as well. Rear end is all mostly complete, just waiting for a torsion bar from the States for the right rear, and then that can be all set up and bolted. Tank, yeah, that's just needs the fittings changed at the top for my return lines from the hillborne injection, and that's why the hoses are sitting down at the back. Crash bars, you can see, have all been done. Chain required. Next stage is do the floor. Put a floor in, it's all made, just needs to be stuck in, and some guard for the engine as well. I've got tyres to purchase, right rear rim to find. Bodywork is all basically completed, and I've had it painted, but I'm not happy with the colour, and it needs to be resprayed again. So there's a bit of work to go on there. And that's basically where we're at today.